So hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. If you are returning, hello, hi, thank you for returning. And if you are new, please hit that subscribe button where I share content on education, career and lifestyle. Today I'm going to share with you 3 or maybe 4 hairstyles that I use for the workplace. How do I keep myself looking fun but also looking well put together, and how do I get all of this looking cute? All right, yes, this is my natural hair. So let's dive into the first hairstyle. So this, ladies and gentlemen, is the first look. Yes, this is the first look. Literally my hair out like this. This is how I like to wear my hair. I usually swoop it over to the right side. I do a little bit of my baby hairs, lay it down, and I just like that it frames my face. I like my hair to be a little bit on the frizzy side, a little bit on the wild side. I do not like tamed hair. It just looks too perfect, and I like more of an effortless finish. You'll see that I don't have like a straight part either. My part, I just allow my hair to naturally part to the side where it is, and that's that. I can do it like this, or I can fling it over to the other side, flip it over to the other side. Again, just let your hair naturally make its own part. And what I would probably do is just spritz a little bit of hairspray so that it stays. Another thing is also putting a middle part. Again, I just use my fingers, nothing major, and I do a middle part. If you see me looking over here, it's because my mirror is over here. But yes, effortless is what I like to go for. And I just like my curls to, I don't like to manipulate my curls too much. I just like my curls to do its thing, fall where it wants to fall. And fixing up the back. And there you have it. That's the second look. And I think it is cute. I think it is natural. I think it is just like fierce hybrid professional. Let's go to the second look. So for the second look, you're going to need 4 bobby pins, and what I'm going to do is just put 2 twists to the front of my hair. So I'll start right here, and this is just a really nice way to get the hair out of your face. So I start right there, and what I do is I take the bobby pin and I put it there. So down, and what you want to do is you want to cross the bobby pins into an X. So you take the other one and you do it on the opposite side so that it crosses and makes an X. And that's the first one. And then we're going to do the second one. I hope you guys are seeing this. I get so much questions on whether I've dyed my hair. My hair is so black. This is actually the natural color of my hair. As a kid, I've always had really dark hair, and I'm even surprised that in adulthood it has maintained its color. I'm not complaining. I mean, I think I will embrace my gray hair as well too. And I'm just going to do my baby hairs. Nothing too like extravagant, just very easy and effortless. You know, I really like effortless hair. And there you have it. That is the second look. So the third look I have is a bun. I love to do this. So I usually just put my hair up into a bun. Now what I'm using is a silk scrunchie, which is really good for your hair, no tangles or anything. I love these. What I do is I take the scrunchie, bend forward, and I put my hair up, and I'm not pulling my hair tightly. I'm just pulling it really gently. You just want to create a nice shape of a ponytail. So you do that, and then you bring it forward, just right there, and then you start to shape. Now this is a good opportunity for you to also use like some bobby pins if you need to. Since this is not a black scrunchie, scrunchie. I'm just trying to hide the color, although I don't need to because it literally goes with my jacket. And make sure that you're looking at the back as well too. I see like there are some things, some hairs poking out there, so I'm just tucking it in. And then what I like to do is I like to pull out some baby hairs from the side and use my water bottle. Spray, spray, spray. Just to get those curls activated. So you see how it's already made a nice cute little curl. Same thing over here. And then I'm going to take some in the back, leave some out. It's amazing what water does to curly hair. Like it just really, like curly hair loves water. It just brings it to life. And then use the rest. Time to just use the rest to any little flyaways that I have. This is when I also like spray some hairspray in. I'm not going to use hairspray now because I'm showing you guys hairstyles, but this is the final product. And of course, if you don't want this pattern in the front, you can always take this out. And yeah, shows your beautiful face. Take out the pins that I placed in my hair previously. And this is a half up, half down that I'm going to do. I really like to do this. I find that it gives a nice playful look. It gives you that opportunity to get the hair out of your face, but also have your hair out. So what I tend to do is I'm just using the twists that I took. Again, I'm not making like straight parts. So leaving that out. And I'm just going to use this hair and I'm going to make a very like really loose bun. So here, here, and super loose. Sure that you're doing your hair reasonably. I mean, especially if you don't have a lot of time to get perfect hair. So for me, I don't like spending too much time on perfect hair, so I like a little bit of like a messy, flawless, natural look. And there you have it. And what I really like about this is that if I take off my jacket, it looks even more fun. In a previous video I talked about work ready IG body, so that was work ready and this is IG body. Alright, enough of that play. Let me put back on my jacket. So I have one more look for you, and it is like a mohawk. I'm building from this, and it's just to put two more buns. So I'm going to show you. So I'm taking half here. There we go. Again, not making perfect parts and just gently detangling. So I'm holding that amount there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a very loose bun again. This style in particular is so effortless. I love it, especially when you have some clips and stuff. It can look really cute. And then this side, take that, and another small bun you're creating here. Make sure it's loose, you don't want it too tight. And I'm using about 3 bobby pins to hold each bun. A fun fact, I have been combing my hair since I was in my teens. My mom just did not know what to do with my hair, so I had to do it all myself. And what I do now is I make the sides more tight now that it's in a slack bun. Put a bobby pin there, take another bobby pin. Bobby pins are your best friend. And then pull it and then put it there. Create and then again leave out your little curls, and just making sure that everything is in place. And there you have it. This is the final look. I find that it allows for creativity, dynamism. I am a hybrid professional. I don't like to play it safe, so this is dope. Giving them curious, giving them cute, giving them serious, giving them playful. Those are the looks that I go for. I would ask for you to try one, try all, try two. Let me know how it goes, and let me know if you enjoyed this video. All right, it is about just making your presence effortless. This is what I'm all about, making it effortless and making it authentic to you. So until next time, I'll see you in another video. You are light, you are love, you are destined for greatness. Go bravely and